square, and so is 1. So they both get an x, opposite signs, and 1 times 1 gives me 1. So I'm thinking about what times what gives me that number, so it has to be a perfect square.
If it's not, you just bring it down.
Then you would just bring it down for right now. So now what happens is that I've got actually 4 binomials. And so since I'm running short on space, I'm going to kind of do this mentally. X plus 3, for that to be a 0, has to be a negative 3. For x minus 3 to be equal to 0, it has to be a positive 3. And the same thing, x plus 1 equal to 0, x minus 1 equal to 0. So when you set them equal to 0, you're going to get the opposite of what you see when you have like a one-step equation. And these ones are the harder ones, these difference of squares. And they only happen when you factor and you get something squared inside one of your binomials as an option. If you don't have an x squared and you don't have a minus sign and you don't have another perfect square, then it's not going to work out. There's other strategies and steps we got to take for that. All right, so other questions, things you guys want to know? Anything about any of these that you're not sure of? Something like letter D. I know it's kind of tight in here, but you have 4 zeros. It's going to cross 4 different times. Look something like that. So once we actually get to where we're doing graphing, we'll get more detailed in our graphs, but right now that's what it means. So for your work today, you're going to be working on a puzzle that looks like this. Basically, you have these variety of questions.